impi uyayivumela impi uyayivumela isho hempi untulizempi usikiza uhaha isho hempi untulizempi usikiza uhaha
Your name?
Easy yo.
Your name?
Easy yo.
Your name?
Easy yo.
Your name?
Easy yo.
Hook up.
Easy yo.
Hook up.
Easy yo.
Who calls?
Easy yo.
Who calls?
Easy yo.
Husu.
Seven.
Husu.
Seven.
Husu.
Seven.
Husu.
Seven.
Husu. Emkukundo bashongo njalo.
Haya bungaphethe
Emkukundo bashongo njalo.
Haya usalapha
Emkukundo bashongo njalo.
Haya bungaphethe
Emkukundo bashongo njalo.
Haya usalapha
Ngelithathe nemikhonto.
Ngelithathe nemikhonto ibambe Iphakamisele phezulu mangenjalo uzosala phansi
Ngelithathe
imikhonto ibambe iphakamisele phezulu mangenjalo uzosala phansi
Emkukundo
akashongo njalo kandaba uyakho ngaphethe seyiphansi
akashongo njalo
uyakho uzosala phansi
Emkukundo
akashongo njalo kandaba uyakho ngaphethe seyiphansi
akashongo njalo
uyakho uzosala phansi
Ngelithathe imikhonto
Ngelithathe imikhonto ibambe iphakamisele phezulu mangenjalo uzosala phansi.
Siyabonga kakhulu kanza kwethu sibonga kakhulu to all media houses abakwazile ukuthi babe ingxenye yesimemo sethu ukuthi sibe khona la eJP eGoli eJohannesburg eGauteng province njengoba sazi ke ukuthi iyona sizinda mnotho wezwe laseNingizimu Afrika la iGoli ngakho ke inkinga la iGoli ziningi ziyesabeka kakhulu futhi nabo kufika abangekho emthethweni abagcwele iGoli bayizigidigidi baningi kakhulu lokho ama-states akukho lokhu kungabani ngakho ke nganza kwethu sizodedlelana nomfowethu uphakela umthakathi umfokandabandaba sikwazi ukwendlala ukusukela osukwini lakusasa njoba kwanqunywa umhla ka-30 June 2026 ukuthi sicela ukuthi abokufika babe bengasekho eNingizimu Afrika baphume baphela bonke bokufika abangenawo amaphepha njengoba kuyatholakala ukuthi iningi labo vele abanawo amaphepha aqondileyo nabathi aqondile bawagwazele banama-home affairs endlini zabo mayiverifywa awasabeli home affairs abantu labo kufuze ngabe bagcwele emajele ngicela ukuthethela umfokandabandaba endlala inkulumo injoba injalo bese nami ngiyanezazela lapha nalapha nganza kwethu sibonga kakhulu ukuyihlupha kwenu ngathi singelutho singabantu nje baseNingizimu Afrika abakhathalele izindaba
Ndaba ezitha uMaqengwane ngiyathokoza kakhulu mfowethu ngicela ukubingelela kakhulu kwabe indaba bamahlelo ehlukene bonke abathatha ithuba labo basondela kulokhu kucela kwethu kwanamhlanje ngibingelele ngenkulu inhlonipho kumfowethu umfazi odwele umfo wamakhanya ngibingelele kumfowethu uNtombela eduze kwami ngibingelele kumfowethu uDlakaza ngalesandleni sami sokudla sibingelele zonke-ke iy'nsizwa ey'khona siyayibona iy'nsizwa nazo zikhona emva kwabe indaba nomnewethu lapha ukhona ubaba uMpumosi siyathokoza kakhulu-ke cha ingane zakwethu lo msebenzi masuwuqala sawuqala ngokuthula sawuqhuba ngokuthula umkhizo usuyezwela ejazini kulapho kufanele uzwele kubo uzwela nje siqhubeka senza ngokuthula uma ngabe-ke lapha kwaZulu kwenziwa izinto-ke sifuna nokufundisa nabo bonke-ke abantu-ke ngendlela yethu thina esilamula ngayo izimpi nangendlela esenza ngayo izinto ngokuthula kuze kufunde nezinye iy'nhlanga thina siyakwazi ukuhlala phansi kufe umuntu sihlale phansi kukhulunywe kulungiswe leyo nto kwedlule efile umuntu engekho manje ke siyakwazi futhi ukuthi uma sifuna ukuzwakala sikwenze nje ngenhlonipho sikwenze awuthi mawufuna ukukhuluma nobaba wakho ukhona into ongajabule ngayo uhulumeni ufana nobaba wethu awukwazi ukuthi uma uyokhuluma nobaba wakho kukhona into ongajabule ngayo bese ungena nezivalo endlini bese ukhuluma umile bese ukhuluma ulwa ungasahloniphi sifuna ukufundisa uhulumeni ukuthi sonke lesisikhathi sithule besinikeza yena ithuba nje hayi ukuthi besingazi besinika yena ithuba ukuthi wendoda besilokhu sisho abanye baze bayeka ngisho ukuvota amacingwane bayeka ngisho ukuvota abantu ngoba bethi bazama ukumkhombisa uhulumeni ukuthi wehulumeni lento oyenzayo kithi ayilungile manje ke sithi kulokhu ake simkhombise uhulumeni ngokuthi sihlangane singamapolitiki ahlukene siqhamuke inhlanganweni ezehlukene sihlangane simkhombise uchabo siyaqonda phela ukuthi masuke siyovotela umuntu eyovotela iqembu lakhe usuke nje votela iqembu lakhe kodwa ekugcineni singabantu base South Africa akulokhu nje sikwenzayo akuqondene ngqo nabantu bokufika uqondene nohulumeni sikhuthaza yena ukuthi wehulumeni nanka ama-drugs kulela dolobha wehulumeni nakho kwenziwa ama-IDs angekho emthethweni lapha wehulumeni nakho kwenza ubugebengu lapha lento iyingozi ezweni iyingozi nasey'nganeni zethu ngakho-ke yonke lento esiyenzile kuze kufika namhlanje siyenze ngokuthula namhlanje-ke njengoba sila sizothi ake sibalayeni ngoba kukhona phakathi kwazi ikhulu likahulumeni eyifisa ngathi ngabe kusuka udlame yingakho umuzwa omunye umholi ethi hayi abadocument ufuna kusuka udlame ngoba uyazi ukuthi kuzothukuthela yingakho uzwa ukuthi ethi nawe awuseyena wase-South Africa ngoba nawe awunayo into ekufakazelayo ukuthi ungase-South Africa ubulimi obungakanani lokhu ukuthi ungafika ube umholi ube in leadership in the National Assembly for more than 30 years and then uvuke kusasa uthi wena hayi kufanele kuhlalwe phansi yini efuna ukuhlalelwa phansi uma kuthiwa silandele umthetho imuphi lo mthetho kufanele siwulandele the same umthetho ocompromise amaphoyisa ethu the same umthetho abuse amaphoyisa ethu amaphoyisa wakwazi ukusebenza izigebengu zinamandla ngaphezulu kwamaphoyisa sizobuyisa isithunzi samaphoyisa thina sizobuyisa isithunzi samasosha thina sizobuyisa isithunzi samadoda akuhulumeni angayithandi lento eyenzakalayo kodwa angazi ukuthi azokwenza njani ngoba abanjwe ngama-mandate sizothi kamandla awabuyele kubantu asiwaceli lamandla siyawathatha siwabuyisa ngakithi yithi sizosho ukuthi ubani uzoba upresident yithi sizosho ukuthi ubani uzoba ikhansela yithi sizosho ukuthi ubani osiphathele igoli yithi sizosho ukuthi ubani osiphathele iTheku osiphathele iCape Town osiphathele iSouth Africa ayizukuphathwa yinoma ubani ozobekwe emabhilidini amakhulu agadwe ngama-security amakhulu yena ezakhe iy'ngane they are not exposed to drugs uma ngabe ufuna ukubona ukuthi lento esisebenzayo iserious kangakanani hambe uyobuka iy'ngane lezi ezimhambima amaphaphi ubuso uyayibuza wena ukuthi if ingane neminyaka ewu-14 already doing prostitution eyakhe ingane na-14 ufila kanjani ngayo yona manje-ke sizothi kubantu bakithi lokhu sikwenze kuze kufike lapha namhlanje lapha uzwa abaholi bonke sebephawula sikwenze ngokuthula lokhu sayaqala sikwenza ngokuthula sizothi kubantu bakithi kusasa umhlaka 1 i-countdown iyaqala asijiki lapho i-countdown iyaqala umhlaka 30 awulona ilanga lesigameko umhlaka 30 is not an event umhlaka 30 is a date by which all foreigners all illegal foreigners must have left the country. So we are calling on all ambassadors from different African countries to come and fetch their people. Because by 30th, we need to start other programs. Finally South Africa, nakhuluma nge-South Africa, angabathinta abantu bokufika. Nobody is going to die. No looting is going to happen. No violence is going to be incited. But we are calling on our brothers and sisters to say, my brothers and sisters, respect the peaceful way that we are using to ask you to leave the country. Because asifuni ukuzobuza ukuthi we gave you 6 months, why are you still here? We don't want to ask that question after the 3rd year. We do not want to ask that question. We want to say, we want to understand which Okonala is providing a scarce skill. Okonala is here on an educational visa. Okonala ukhona ngezinto ezisemthethweni kuphela. All illegal foreigners, even in buildings like this. on the 30th, we will be in these buildings. We will be checking what's happening in these buildings. Because you can't call Johannesburg a headquarters of African economy. Ufike ibhilidi lifama wind kanjena kulenga amapitikoti, kulenga amaphinifa, kulenga yonke into. We can't have towns like this. Because this is where drugs are cooked. This is where prostitution is conducted. This is where illegal stuff is done. And our police are compromised, and we are going to rescue them. We are going to rescue our leaders. We are going to rescue this country, and we are going to do all that peacefully. And we are calling on our people ukuthi niqhubeke bafowethu nibe nokuthula. Ongafuni ukwenza ukuthula, sicela angangeni eviyweni lethu ahamba yokwenza into ebhedayo ebese funa kuthiwa yenziwe yithini. Uma wena unamandla okwenza into ebhedayo, hamba uyoyenza wedwa. Ungangeni phakathi kwethu. I will be leading 1 million men on the day, and nothing is going to happen to this country. No infrastructure is going to be damaged. Akuzukushiswa lutho, akuzukubulawa lutho. We will be showing the government. We will be saying, government, look at us. We are 1 million men. We are saying one and the same thing. We are saying illegal immigrants must leave this country. Not only our black illegal immigrants, all races must leave this country. Abantu bayazi thina kasihlali kuma suburbs. Abanye bayasibuza ndaba ezithi abathi why ningabathinta abelungu. Njengamanje njengoba sila abekho abelungu la. Asikwazi ukukhuluma ngabelungu ngoba abelungu abekho la. Asihlali thina nabelungu. Every man that is staying in a suburb or in an estate, if he's staying with illegal white people there, he must do his job also. He's a man. He must stand up and fix the country. Everybody must contribute in fixing this country, and everybody must take part in making sure that we restore the greatness of this country. Lelizwe lihle, lelizwe linemali, lelizwe lingakwazi ukunakekela abantu balo kahle ngaphandle kweinkinga. Sicela lokho nje kuphela. Sicela kube nokuthula. Siyayiqala i-countdown. Akhona ama-march amaningi every day from tomorrow. Every day there will be an update ukuthi leading to the 30th what's going on and what's going to happen. Thank you very much.
Nganda kwethu sisabonga kakhulu mntakababa. Ngona semzini ke kuthiwe history is more than just a path created by the past. It influences the present and shapes the future. Therefore, I mean to say that the historical marches that we have had in South Africa, led by Ubaba Upangalo Mthakathi, Ujacinta, and myself, and we are saying that the history tells itself that it has been extremely peaceful and no damages, no one was beaten. It's a blue line that someone was beaten, never. It's a discipline amongst ourselves. Even myself, I've been beaten by my brother here during the march because it's a command. When you are the commander of Zulu Army, especially, and then you must discipline your warriors so that they must be in order and so that they must not put a wrong picture out there. Therefore, it's very simple. We are going to convene 9 provinces, form provincial structures in all provinces, and those leadership that are active in different provinces of South Africa, they will also make sure that the people on the ground and in different cities, they also form the structures within their provinces, so that each and every day, starting from tomorrow, there will be all protests against illegal immigrants in all cities, because there are millions and millions of them that are here. We are saying and appealing to our government that whomever trying to hijack our peaceful march in the name of criminals must be arrested. What happened in Scott was in Natal, we condemn it, that it shouldn't be happening. Because even when the court have ruled against the will of the people, they must also learn to appeal the decision of the court, not to go on the street and loot, because that shows a very wrong picture. The same picture that is being shown all over the world, preaching the gospel of lies, that we are xenophobic. We are a non-xenophobic country. We are the most welcoming country and the Rainbow Nation country, all of more than any country, a country in Africa. By the way, we are the travelers. We have been in some of the African countries and the rest of the world. If you go to Zimbabwe, if you go to Malawi, more than each and every 5 5 kilometers, 5 minutes, there are stops and go, there are roadblocks with police and everywhere, every corner. When you don't have your passport, when you don't have your papers ready, when your car is not have a permit to be in that country, you get a fine, you get arrested.